Welcome to Cecil's Diecast. Finishing, opening, and the review of my last find of the weekend. Sorry guys, I forgot about it. I put it in my hobby room and forgot all about it because I've been tired the last couple of days. It's a 1991 Chevrolet SS 454 truck and a 67 Chevrolet Nova SS Gasser. Hold on a minute and I'll get it out of the sleeve. Okay, I'm back. Oops, sorry guys. There's the Nova. Truck. It opens. Not much detail in the motor. It's there, it's just not painted too good. Alright, brothers. Hope you had a great weekend, a Memorial Day holiday. Share, like, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.